In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WordPress website from Hostgator and completely uninstall WordPress from your hosting account. Whether you want to start fresh or simply no longer need the site, this step-by-step guide will help you complete the process quickly and confidently. Let's begin by heading to the Hostgator website. Open your browser and type hostgator.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner where you will see the sign in button. Click it to access the login page, then enter your account credentials to reach your Hostgator dashboard. After logging in, you will be taken to the Hostgator homepage. From here, your next step is to locate the website section. This area contains all the sites currently hosted under your account and provides access to the tools you need for management. Click on Website to open the full list of your hosted websites. Take a moment to find the specific site you want to delete. When you find it, click on Settings next to that website. This opens the control panel where you can manage important features, including domain tools, backups, security, and installed applications. Inside the Settings page, look for an option labeled Remove WordPress. This is the tool that allows you to uninstall WordPress completely from your hosting account. Once you click Remove WordPress, Hostgator may ask you to confirm your decision. Be absolutely sure you have selected the correct website, because deleting WordPress will permanently remove your site files, themes, plugins, posts, pages, and any other stored content. After confirming, give the system a few moments. The removal process may take a short while depending on server activity, but it should complete smoothly. When the uninstall is finished, Hostgator will display a confirmation message letting you know that WordPress has been successfully removed from your hosting account. At this point, your website is deleted and no longer active. If you ever decide to rebuild a new site in the future, you can reinstall WordPress or choose another website builder directly through your hosting dashboard. Deleting a WordPress site might feel like a big step, but Hostgator makes the process simple and user-friendly. Just make sure you truly no longer need the site before removing it. If you want to create a backup before deleting, that is always a smart option. I hope this guide helped you complete the process with confidence. If you run into any issues, you can always contact Hostgator support for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next tutorial.